My wonderful people, no be small thing, no. They say that the Nigeria army, no be small thing, no. They say these people don't abandon most of their camp wey dey for inside northern Nigeria. As it stand right now, Okenangura also, my people, they on the run for that side because they say the Boko Haram power don't pass their power. That's why now they abandon everything. Come back, coach will show you the video. In other way side though, you know that our brother, whether they call Maazioke Chukwu, whether they call Biafra Chad. He say no go gree o, anything wey happen this guy say no go gree. I go bring the video make I show na wetin talk. As you dey watch the video of the Nigerian army, you go dey watch your own video join. Stay tuned to the beginning from the beginning to the end of this video so that you go understand everything wey dey happen.
Assalamu alaikum people. See Boko Haram don't come here. We want for battalion. Wala. Show us safe.
I don't dislodge us.
Show me here.
See, I don't dislodge
now where we come.
Ah, see. Bless Ovêr don't die.
Show me. Show me. Ovêr don't die.
The bless don't die.
Oh God.
Don't die.
You people should see.
Don't die.
This is 114 battalion beta. I mean beta. Peridang. Una de see our MRAP here ba. Una de see. Mokuna de see our BMP. They don't all these slodges, pursuers carry everything we go use. Ovêr don't die. No wala, na in time reach. You people should not worry. Ovêr don't die. No wala. Our people will bullet touch them. No wala. God day. No wala. Mushi no worry people. See una de siam 114 battalion. 114 battalion. I mean battalion. Now this our what we did today? 12 ba? 11. 2025.
2025 or more.
2 January 2 what and view.
All right, wonderful people. I am Maazioke Chukwu, the general. I promised you people that I will keep on giving you all updates, what is happening in Biafra land, in Nigeria, and at the same time, international news. The autopilot ectoparasite infiltrators and their group called Liberation Terrorists have started again. All these, their online provocation. They have started again. They have started lying, concocting stories on social media because these people have no job. These people are all criminals. That is why I keep on saying that the evil in Biafra land must stop. Insecurity in Biafra land must stop. Now they are showcasing the nonsense and idiocy in them on social media because they want to raise funds. They are still on the run, but they will go and begin to lie. All this Oka made you see, they are the people that manufacture it. They are telling you, lying to you, saying all manners of things because they want people to sympathize with them. Like I said, Simon Ekpa is not coming out. Simon Ekpa will end up in life Simon Ekpa will end up life imprisonment. If they like, let them go to inside bush. They say they are inaugurating 40 states. Mad people everywhere. Very, very, the idiocy in these people smells so bad that I can't even comprehend. But I just want to show you people. Because I have told them that you should allow this autopilot, those criminals that are deceiving the mess on the ground, those people that are using our people, you know, putting our people into criminality, and at the same time using them to kidnap our own people. I have told them, Oga, stop all this nonsense because it's not going to help you. The chief infiltrator called Simon Ekpa himself, the criminal, is now in prison. And I have told them very soon his court case will commence. And I'm going to also bring it live to every one of you. I am gathering my intel. But I don't want to push it now. Because if I push it now, they will say I'm lying. I just want to wait a while. So that when I will push it, the second day you'll be seeing it. Then you confirm. Just look at this nonsense. Listen to them. All these criminals. All these liberation bandits and terrorists in our land. by Simon Eba. Ngozi Orabeze. I tell you, Ngozi Orabeze, she had a lot to lose. Now pay attention.
My brother Snellenian. Bullet in our town, what I go back to Congo. They ain't like Bagan, they are back on the night. They ain't like Bagan. They ain't like Bagan. Huh? Ungani Bungo, they go not can and oh, blood in our water. No joy. Hello, blood in Canada. You go to me, Leah. Yeah, what's up, Leah? Blood in our Talakanka. Nkaba, what I go. Look here, Abagbanka. Leah. Mobile fan or no shaking. They go not can and Leah.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch those videos, I beg, may try share so that people go get the information and know what thing will happen. You get another video where I want to show you for here. May you still watch you and see what they happen as we talk right now.
You can see the helicopter moving around. You can see the helicopter going around this area since morning, shooting bombs. Yes, this is happening around the Omaka axis, Umaele to be precise, in Biafra land.
Nigeria is the headquarters of corruption in the world.
Thank you.
Sorry, this is my country, but I'm saying this. And if you want me to prove it to you, I'll prove it to you. Present situation of Nigeria. Corruption everywhere. Corruption in hospitals, schools, ministries, departments, agencies of government, courts, police station, military, everywhere corruption. Everywhere. Now Nigeria, foreigner, go call police for you, Nigerian police. Nigerian police no go listen to you. Now waiting, that Chinese, that Lebanese, that any Indian, tell them, now you go work with. Now Nigeria we day. Nigerians no get escort. Foreigner, they get 4, 5, 6, 7 policemen where they follow them. Politicians, they carry 6, 7 policemen. Some police posts no get more than 2 policemen. State government, they negotiate with bandits. Hey! Army, they there, other people, they there. State governor come to negotiate with bandits. Who are they? Non-state actors. And you, innocent person, you do mistake, go buy a car, we carry small camouflage. Soldier go catch you, they beat you. See bandit wear camouflage like you without authority. In the name of saying they do settlement, which kind settlement be that? What an insult.
Okay, my wonderful people, I beg make una share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as they read. Things are happening, everybody they talk for this country now. We'll be say very soon we go see waiting go come outside from the northern part of this country very soon. Just the watch, stay tuned, they follow us, we will bring you updates.